what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing a huge mixed haul with you guys, and I'm super excited for this one because I honestly haven't done many videos like this. Like I usually do like a Nykaa haul or an Amazon haul or a Myntra haul, but guys, in today's video I have so much of amazing stuff from so many different brands. So yeah, I'm super excited for today's video because I have stuff from Westside, Bath & Body Works, from Mr. DIY. I have a lot of footwear also, so I'm very excited. I'm sure you're gonna love the video. And if you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Rukma. I'm a corporate lawyer from Mumbai. I love making YouTube videos, and I make a lot of videos on vlogs, hauls, travel vlogs, and a lot of fun content, affordable and relatable content as well. So in case you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started because I have truckloads of things to show you guys today. Alright, so let me first show you the number of packets that I have. I just wanted to show you कि मेरे पास इतने सारे packets हैं आज. Okay, so here we go. This is the first packet. I have another packet right here, and then we have this. Okay, so I'm super excited, and I'm not going in any particular order. सबसे पहले we will be starting with Westside, because I think Westside is just such an amazing place to shop from. Vivek actually has purchased two things from Westside, which I'm just going to show you very quickly. So first up, he has purchased this shirt for himself, which is such a pretty shirt. Like it's a basic shirt. I mean, it doesn't have too much going on, but it's still pretty nice. Now the material is sort of like that light denim material, like that heavy cotton but a light denim material, if you know what I mean. And this has like crabs and coconut trees and boats and all of that made on this one. So this does have like a beachy vibe to it going on, but it's pretty great. I think it's gonna look amazing on him, and he anyway loves blue. This one costed him ₹999, which I think is great for a shirt of this quality. And another thing which he picked up is this basic t-shirt. Okay, it's this round neck t-shirt. This is the t-shirt that he picked up. It's a round neck t-shirt. It's of this light olive green color, like not olive green, the lightest shade of olive green. And this one costed him only ₹399. Now Westside t-shirts are amazing, just like H&M and Zudio, but I think the pricing is somewhere between Zudio and H&M. So I think that way you can definitely consider, especially for the summer season. They have really good basic t-shirts. Now I will move on to the next category, which is my footwear, and then we'll come back and show you what else do we have from Westside. So it's gonna be like a chaotic mixed haul, but I've not done too many of these in the past, so please bear with me. So I'm gonna show you three pieces of footwear which I've purchased recently, and I love all of them. Okay, even though one of them has given me shoe bite, but I love that. I'll show you why. Okay, the first one are these pair of heels, and I purchased these from Bata. This is what these heels look like. Now I love them because firstly they are lavender. Okay, like look at that shade of lavender. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Now this is a very basic like pair of heels. This will go with like a lot of different dresses and tops and everything, also ethnic wear. I completely love this particular heels for that reason, because even though it's very basic, I think it will complement a lot of my different types of outfits. I don't remember the exact price right now, but I think it was somewhere close to 2,500 rupees. I am in the size 37, which is UK 4 basically. And yeah, these are pretty comfortable. These are not very uncomfortable on your feet. And yeah, I think because you have the strap at the back, so they really keep your feet like guarded and in one place, which I think is amazing. So I love this pair. Next up, I have a very recent purchase which I've started wearing to work right now. Like I've started wearing this to office because I really wanted comfortable pair of footwear for my office. Now this pair is from Hush Puppies. I got this from the Hush Puppies store itself, not Bata or anything. I love the crisscross thing going on ऊपर, and इसमें भी ना नीचे एक ऐसा strap आता है. So I think whenever like I'm walking and everything, this really keeps my feet like properly guarded. I think if I don't wear shoes जिनके पीछे strap है, sometimes my feet just slip a little, which I think is risky because I travel, like I stay in Mumbai and I travel to work. There is pretty much of traveling involved, so I really need good footwear you know, for my office. So I think this is really nice. I will agree, I did get bad shoe bites, but of course, I mean, the first few days you are bound to get shoe bites. I did not get any shoe bite because of the previous footwear, but this one did cause me a little bit of shoe bite. bites. Now this footwear, if you see, is not very spongy or very soft or anything, like it's very firm, but I think that's okay, because sometimes if your footwear is too spongy or too soft, then they just might start cracking, which also is again very irritating. Now I'll tell you the price of this one. This one is for rupees 3500. I'm again in the same size, UK 4. The third pair of footwear is something which I have not purchased offline. I purchased this online. This is from Myntra, this is from HRX, and this is actually a pair of floaters. I wanted a good pair of floaters for a really long time. I think sometimes when I'm just throwing in like a t-shirt and like a ripped jeans or something, I really don't want to think too much about the kind of footwear that I want to wear, and sometimes I don't feel like wearing a sneaker. Like, it's a lot of work sometimes at tying those laces. I just want to wear something and just move out like in a jiffy. So I think on those days these kind of floaters will be really helpful. I was looking for good ones from Amazon as well, but I think iska color itna acha hai. Like, if you wear like a basic t-shirt and like a basic ripped jeans, this will add such a nice pop of color to your whole outfit, which is why I think I completely love this particular floater. Alright, now I'll come back to Westside. I have some more stuff here. I don't have any more clothing. Like, I don't have clothing for myself because Vivek ne ek t-shirt और एक shirt लिया था. I picked up some fragrances because Westside I think has some amazing fragrances, you guys. So सबसे पहले I picked up this deodorant. It's called Rush. Okay, this is what this deodorant looks like. Wow. This is so refreshing. It's a little bit floral, little bit fruity, little bit sweet. Really nice, but I think this is gonna be really nice for the summer season and also for the monsoon, because this is something which I think is like very dynamic. It's a very nice fragrance, and their deodorants are pretty cheap, because this one was only for rupees 199, which I absolutely loved. Then I have Maldives with me. This is an EDP. I have got the smaller bottle. I think they have a bigger bottle as well, if I'm not wrong. The smaller bottle will cost you rupees 195. So their EDP is even cheaper than their deodorant. There is 100 gram of content in the deodorant, and the EDP has 25 ml of product in here. This has bergamot, juniper berries, lavender and citrus mixed with cashmere, cedarwood, patchouli and floral middle notes, and base notes of leather, moss, musk, patchouli and vetiver. So I think really nice notes there, and it's something which I've used previously. The Maldives fragrance बहुत ही अच्छा है. मैं जब last year केरला गई थी and मसूरी गई थी, तब मैंने ये वाला जो fragrance है carry किया था and बहुत wear किया था, because this is so travel friendly. It's a small cute bottle, so in case you guys want something to take to college or maybe your office, this is something that you can definitely consider. Also, I think for this quantity and for the fact that it is so portable and travel friendly, 195 is a good price, because Westside के fragrances really बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So these are the two fragrances that I picked up, and we also picked up something for our washroom. This happens to be a fragrance diffuser. I earlier used to use Miniso ke fragrance diffusers, like their apple spice one, then their vanilla one. I think those are really nice. But firstly, we were a little bored of those fragrances. Like, वो saturation level reach हो चुका था with Miniso diffusers, and also sometimes when we go to Miniso, we don't find those products, you know, sometimes they're out of stock. So we were like, we should try something else, and we were at Westside the other day and we saw this particular Reed diffuser, and this is in the variant number 5. Okay, this is just called number 5. There is no name to this, but इसका भी fragrance बहुत अच्छा है. Instantly it makes your washroom such a nice smelling place, and that is so important, right? To both me and Vivek, it's very essential that our washroom should be smelling nice and beautiful all the time. So we need a diffuser at all points of time. But since Miniso fragrances से हम थोड़े से बोर हो चुके थे, इसलिए हमने ये number 5 वाला diffuser pick किया है from Westside. Now once you install this, your washroom is gonna smell amazing. I can assure you that. But I have noticed that इसका जो consumption है, that is way faster than Miniso के fragrances. Now one logic can be that because इसका consumption बहुत quick है, so it throws a lot more fragrance. But because Miniso का consumption थोड़ा सा कम है, थोड़ा सा moderate है, maybe the throw is not as good as this one. So that can be the logic. I'm not very sure. I'll tell you the price of this one. This one is for rupees 499, and if I'm not wrong, Miniso के जो diffusers होते हैं ना, Reed diffusers, वो भी around same ही range में priced है. So you can definitely take your pick. Next हम चले जाएंगे to one of my favorite stores in this world, which is Bath and Body Works. I mean, their Bath and Body products, their candles, they just have my heart. So the first candle that I want to show you is this one. It's still in its packing because इसको हमने अभी तक open नहीं किया है. But this happens to be like a cult favorite of so many people and also मेरा and विवेक का भी यही favorite variant है इनके candle का. So इनके सारे candles बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, but I think this particular candle is something that we absolutely love. So what I have with me here is the Mahogany Teak Wood High Intensity. I can't even describe this to you all. Like, this legit smells like a forest, and it's so mysterious and it's just so amazing. If you guys are into candles and if you guys just want to sort of save some money and want to spend on a nice candle, like a 3-wick candle which will last you long, which has an amazing throw and the smell will completely get you enchanted, I think this is the smell. This is the candle that you guys should try your hands on. This one is the Mahogany Teak Wood High Intensity. Now this one एक्चुअली इज फॉर 3300 रुपीज, बट हम लोग सेल के टाइम पे गए थे लकीली, तो हमें 2 कैंडल्स मिले फॉर 3300 रुपीज. सो बेसिकली बाई 1 गेट 1 का ऑफर चल रहा था अराउंड द स्टोर. पूरे स्टोर पे वो ऑफर चल रहा था, विच वॉज वेरी एक्साइटिंग. सो दिस इज द Mahogany Teak Wood one that I showed you, and another one which we picked up is the Tobacco plus Oud variant. Also is a 3-wick candle, okay, and this one we have actually started burning, so you can see that we've started burning this one, okay. Now this is a very nice fragrance, okay. It has a very woody, musky, oud kind of a fragrance, which the name suggests, but the fragrance, the throw is nothing close to the Mahogany Teak Wood one. Like when I and Vivek, we returned home and we lit this candle, after that we were just discussing कि हमको यार 2 Mahogany Teak Wood ले लेना चाहिए था. Otherwise we could have picked up 1 Mahogany Teak Wood and 1 Gingham, because we also love the Gingham candle, and those two are actually cult favorites, you know. But ठीक है, this is a new collection, Tobacco plus Oud, and हमें थोड़ा सा कुछ नया भी ट्राई करना था, so we went ahead and we tried this one, and दोनों का मिला के it cost us 3300 rupees. So we also picked up 2 fragrances. I didn't pick up the full size bottles because I have a lot of perfumes right now and a lot of body mists actually to finish. So I don't want to take the full bottles. वो भी buy 1 get 1 के offer पे थे. Because office में I like to carry fragrances with me, and office का pouch छोटू सा है, so I wanted to carry something which is portable. तो इनके छोटे वाले small size, travel size variants भी वो same offer पे थे, buy 1 get 1 के, which is brilliant. So I picked up Into the Night. This is the first one that I picked up. I've heard a lot of good things about this particular body mist from Bath and Body Works, but इसके पहले मैंने इसको कभी try नहीं किया था. So super excited for this one actually. जब मैंने इसको smell भी किया था स्टोर में, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था. Not bad at all. इसका प्राइस है ₹999, बट ऑफकोर्स हमें 999 में 2 फ्रेग्रेंसेज मिल गए. सो फर्स्ट वन इज Into the Night, एंड द सेकेंड वन विच आई पिक्ड अप इज You're the One. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव ट्राइड बिफोर. आई एक्चुअली हैव द फुल साइज विथ मी, सो आई वाज ऑफकोर्स वेरी श्योर कि ये तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, बिकॉज ये मैंने ट्राई किया हुआ है पहले, ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड. बट दिस वन इज अ न्यू वन, बट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन एज वेल. वाओ, इट्स रियली नाइस. Bath and Body Works mists are not very long lasting. That's one problem that I have with them, and of course price point में थोड़ा सा हाई रहता है, but all in all I think Into the Night is one of their best sellers. मुझे इसका स्मेल काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी लाउड लगा, काफ़ी एक सेक्सी नाइट टाइम स्मेल है, डेफिनेटली डे टाइम स्मेल नहीं लगा मुझे. दिस वन however is something which you can wear literally around the day, okay. I already have this one. I really enjoy this one. This is You're the One. It's a little sweet and fruity kind of a fragrance. If possible मैंने आप लोग को जो भी fragrances दिखाए हैं ना Bath and Body Works के and also West Side के, जिनके भी मुझे notes मिलेंगे ना, मैं उनको यहाँ पे लगा दूंगी, so that you can just make your choice. If you like any of those elements, maybe you can also purchase these particular fragrances. ओके इसके बाद मेरे पास है मिस्टर DIY से कुछ चीज़ें. मिस्टर DIY मुंबई में तो है, आई एम नॉट श्योर ये किसी दूसरे सिटी में है कि नहीं, बट इन मुंबई वी हैव अ नंबर ऑफ मिस्टर DIY. इट्स अ वेरी इकोनॉमिकल स्टोर where you get everything under the same roof. Like you have stationery, you have things for your car, you have home decor things, you have cutlery, you have lots of things under a budget. तो हमने हमारे कार के लिए वहाँ से कुछ एक्सेसरीज पिक किया है बेसिकली. The first one happens to be this car and home perfume. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can basically just hang it from your mirror, like the car's mirror. This is the green apple variant, and इसका price था only ₹89, which is super amazing. Then I picked up this luggage tag. दिस हैज़ अ सूटकेस एंड देन सूटकेस के ऊपर काफ़ी सारे क्यूट इमोजीज बने हुए हैं. आई रियली लाइक इट बिकॉज द टैग इट सेल्फ इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ सूटकेस विच इज सो अमेजिंग. दिस वन ऑल्सो फ्रॉम मिस्टर DIY एंड इसका प्राइस है ₹168. आई थिंक अगेन वेरी अफोर्डेबल. नेक्स्ट अप वी पिक्ड अप दिस skid proof. Okay, it is basically like a non-slip mat which you can put on your car and uske upar you can keep your keys or your phone, whatever you feel like keeping basically. So this is a skid proof thing for your car. Basically it's an accessory for your car. This one was only for ₹115, which is amazing. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Whichever of these items I'll find online, I will be linking them down in the description box below. In case you guys liked the video, please like it, share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Lots of fun content coming your way guys. In case you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love you guys. Bye bye.